This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, this is a first screen.
Mm-hmm.
So fine. So this screen is fine, and some of the changes is there. You can develop later. Okay. So let's go for what is that? Employment details is done. Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
next stage is the bike details. But here bike details also there is a drop down here. Select
Mm-hmm.
model and on-road price.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. But properties here bike details, but I think we created the till 20 properties, I think so, right? I think only 14 properties, I think.
Yeah, we created some more, I think, but we didn't create the bike details.
Loan type only. Okay. So remaining properties you will have to create. Bike details also you have to create. Relative location, select model and on road price.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go to and create that prop. Just right click on the class to designer. Loan type, loan amount. Okay, we have to create that one. Okay, so loan type is done, and only we created this one. Loan type, loan amount, start year, loan amount, integer, start year also integer. Actually this is the other liability screen, but I'm going to create this one also. Okay, yes, to start year. This is also integer. Next start month, test, EMI amount, EMI amount, remaining months. Remaining months also integer. Fine. And till 20 done. RTO location, select model, on road price is the bike details. Okay, RTO location. RTO location is the test only. Select model also test. Android price is integer. Android price. Fine. Properties are done. Just refresh and it now. So how to do that next step? Tell me now. We are going to add the one more flow.
One more.
Under that, collect info, right?
Yeah.
Okay, where you have to add?
You go to the screen.
Screen? No, I'm asking where you have to add the process.
Oh, and the P by default, the
Okay, yeah, process, case
case
type,
type.
there is a pay by default, right?
Mm-hmm.
And which tab? Stages, right?
Yeah.
Click on this stage. So 2 flows are done. Add one more flow.
Mm-hmm.
That is bike details. So collect bike detail.
Mm-hmm.
Just open this flow. And now what? Inside the flow, we have to call what? Flow action.
Flow action.
Yes, this is the flow action. Now we can call the section within the flow action. That's fine. These
Mm-hmm.
are
Mm-hmm.
reverse. So always this is a process you're doing real time. But
Mm-hmm.
normally after creation we have to save everything and we can just concentrate the screens. What are the any changes in flow action or flow, we can do it later. And we have to
Okay.
save the screen now and go back, save this everything.
Mm-hmm.
And we have to submit this flow and save it now.
Mm-hmm.
Then data flow will be dropped off and save it now. And we have to close this flow action flow, then return only screen. So here I'm going to drag and drop for two layouts here. First layout,
Mm-hmm.
the already layout is there, right? Let's cut it. This is a layout. Drag and drop the test input here. This is for RTO location. Save it now. Suppose if you want to extend this one size, how to do that? This is a test size, right?
Mm-hmm.
I want to decrease this size. How to do that? How to do that?
Oh, yeah. Change
There
it
is
to
a
a different.
custom, right?
Okay.
So we'll go for something. If you want to 85% or 50% size, we'll
Mm-hmm.
go for percentage, and you can set
Mm-hmm.
as it will be increase decrease that size.
Okay.
So and you can go for call the one more layout,
Mm-hmm.
and this layout I'm going to select as a inline double, call the test input. Here call the two properties that are what is it, select model and on-road price.
Mm-hmm.
This is select model, so this is for on-road price.
Mm-hmm.
So you can change the control later, just call the properties
Okay.
on-road price. Fine, this is for this one. And
Mm-hmm.
how to display as a select model and select model on-road price, both are the what actually drop down, right?
Mm-hmm. Select model, yeah.
Then how to populate, how many ways you done for to populate the drop downs?
Yeah, we did pick list, I think we did table, we did uh, value field, I think.
Yes, we'll go for this one is data table. Okay,
Data
go to
table.
create add data type.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to, yes, something bike details table or bike details record something.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the data table and I'm going to create this data table. Now directly go to records and configure the source. Then I'm going to property on there. Instead of adding the properties in data tab, data model
Mm-hmm.
tab, I'm going to add the properties directly here. So what is
Oh,
this? Select model is test only and on-road price.
mm-hmm.
Oh, excuse me. On-road price is integer now.
Mm-hmm.
And set as select model is the key now, not on-road price.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Select model is the key now. That's fine.
Mm-hmm.
And go to submit this.
Mm-hmm.
Here by using the import and export options. So okay, no problem. It's already exported, right? So show in folder. You can just cut it. Paste here. This is select model.
Mm-hmm.
On-road price here is there, no problem. Just to copy paste on the which order is downloaded, just to use that. Don't change the order.
Mm-hmm.
So go to the our document now. So where is a drop down? Here is a drop down. This is a select model.
Mm-hmm.
Copy paste it. This is for, and here on-road price. Copy and paste it now. Fine, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm going to save this one. So by using the export option, import options, and we need to upload that file. Skip these validations, uncheck the checkbox and start validations. Rotate 10 records and continue to import. Finish.
Okay.
These are the records, right? So what I'm going to save this data table. And can go for refresh the data explorer. Here normally listen carefully here. Select model is the whenever you select the drop down in the model, okay, but select model is a not only drop down. What are the drop down is select model in the drop down, automatically it will display the unroot price, right? That's our requirement actually. So suppose we have this is the model. Suppose if you select on the activize the drop down, but it is automatically displaying the 70,000 in the unroot price. Some splendor 72,000 like that. So in that purpose, but previous concept is different this concept. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the select model, go to the select model concept and select the control as auto complete here. Come down, there is a source, select as a data page, and here give your data page name d underscore bike details records list, and it will ask for the source property here. So what is the source property? Think and tell me, is this concept already done?
Yeah, the model, right?
Very good.
Select.
And we have to give, that's it? Anything we have to give? But this property you want to link with the unroot price also, right? Got it. How to do that? Give it as dot unroot price also.
Okay.
But if you are not giving that unroot price, that unroot pricing is not displaying now. You got it right? So
Okay.
just set the value. What that value property dot unroot price.
Okay.
This is the concept now normally. Clear? Any doubt? And I'm going to submit it and I'm going to save it now. That's it.
Okay.
So just to go back to PY default and save the PY default also. Let's try to run the case once again. Go back to case tab. This is the one type of concept, but other than the last concept. In employee details, we for two concepts actually. Just here, this is a mandatory. Click on submit. So it's fine. Select submit. So Activa location, okay, just select model means Activa, right? Just click on down arrow, it will get that Activa. It will displaying that. So just to give type as some phase or type, just click on down arrow, you will get these all proper. Glamour 80,000. So we have to erase it before entering that drop down, like this one. So if you don't know, if you don't have drop down, just click on that active or something. What is the A related terms are displaying now here, right? Okay, that's it. Clear? This for concept now. M high object like. Next concept is normally page list concept. Only if I
Mm-hmm.
start, then it will take 1 hour that concept.
Okay.
Means like other liabilities. Like
Mm-hmm.
other liabilities means we already created the properties. This one, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
But normally this is a page list concept. How to create the page list and how to call the page list properties in the section.
Mm-hmm.
But normally in level 1 training also we did not worked on the page list properties, right? Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Then how to call the page list properties in section? Any idea? Which
Um,
layouts are supports?
which layouts?
I told you for level 1 training for while theoretical explanation,
Okay.
right? So there is a row layouts,
Yeah,
tabular,
roller. Okay.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Repeating grid. These are all
Mm-hmm.
supports for the page list properties to call the section.
Mm-hmm.
Fine.
Yeah.
Fine. And this concept you will do that. And one more concept I will tell you tomorrow what you are going to do next class.
Okay.
That's fine. Any doubt here?
Yeah, clear.
That's fine. We'll meet tomorrow, same time.
You want to do it 4 or a little bit later?
No, no, 4 o'clock only. Why? Because we are already some other work is there. 4 o'clock.
Okay.
4 o'clock is better for you, right? You already said
Yeah,
it's
it's
okay.
better because on Saturday also I woke up at 4 o'clock,
Uh-huh.
but and I waited for 20 minutes and then,
No
probably, I
problem.
didn't
I mean,
sleep.
like whatever it is, if you have weekends, just ping me. It will take late. No problem.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I
And like
waited for 20 minutes and then just went back to sleep.
okay, no problem. At least inform me. I mean, like if you want to, I mean, if you want go to sleep and just inform me before 1 day. Okay, like Saturday,
No,
Sunday, if
I
you
thought
will
it
take.
was regular time, 4 o'clock, I think, but you were thinking 5 o'clock, right?
Yes, yes, correct.
Yeah. So I woke up at, a little bit before that. And then I
Mm-hmm.
waited almost like 30 minutes and then, I didn't see you, so I went back to sleep.
Okay, better to will discuss the before Friday.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah,
Friday we'll discuss that. Saturday, what time we will take the class?
yeah,
Better, right?
yeah, yeah. Okay,
Right. Normal all days, we can will take this normal timings only. 4 o'clock.
okay.
Okay, bye.